just something to do. I don't know, just keep it something interesting. You can even do smaller braid. I love small braid, but you know, timing is an essence, so don't want to keep it up too long. So with these ponytail, I just want to wrap it around it, just something really easy, and add a jewelry that sits on top and wrap it around underneath. Okay, cool. And Nina is going to pass you some stuff. Look at this stuff, it's so cool. It's blinging. Alright, good. So I want to do a twisting, simple twisting technique. Okay? And you can go either on top or either on the bottom, you know, whatever you feel like. The thing about styling is like, it's in the moment, it's in the essence of that time where you connect with your client, you know? And I think that's one thing that I really love doing styling, because when I was in beauty and when I was in fashion school, we draped. You guys ever seen like those Oscar dresses where all like couture, they put on the bodice and they drape the fabric, and that's to me it's styling. And I always love those classes because it's so interesting and so fun and so beautiful. So, you know, every time you recreate this, it can be a little bit different. And that's one thing I really like about this, because it doesn't always have to be the same. It's about feeling, the emotion that comes with it. And I'm trying not to stab her. You're not allowed to cry, just kidding. Alright, and then this piece right here, I'm just gonna basically pin this up and tuck it over, alright? And I'm just making sure, I'm using hairpins. So I'm not really tucking it with bobby pins yet, so I can have some movement to it. Yes, so I'm not trying to hide. Is that better? Yes. Thank you. I like that. I like interaction. All right, and I'm just gonna pin this. There we go. Good. And then this is the same. So it lays in really nice. And there we go. Twist. Twist. And then tuck. Twist and tuck, guys. Yay. All right. Never mind. Anyways, so I'm twisting. Okay, and then I want to make sure that pull this in nice and tightly, and then tuck this in. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I meant to keep this on. And sometimes that comes out. Tuck this back in. Okay, there you go. And then don't worry about that, because that one's going to get tucked in as well. So, it's very simple. There we go. Do you want to bring that little hair piece? There you go. I don't know, I love Star Wars, so maybe my inspiration was Star Wars. I'm going to add a little bling to it, because, you know, all girls love a little bling, and I do too. Don't mind it. A little bit, just a little bit. So this one sits about here. So you want to make sure that you pin it on the braid part, so it'll be nice and steady. Sturdy, not steady. And that you may want to make sure that you're not, and that's why I'm using hairpins, because it's not so tight on the hair. Okay? And then you want to twist a little bit, you know, some loose pieces in there. Make sure you close this up a little bit more, especially when you're dealing with pieces, so many pieces of jewelry that comes out, okay? And you can twist this up a little bit more and have some piece hanging. These, I love these jewelries. They're so beautiful. And I like how well they're made. They're from Lynette, and they're in New York. time to like let me use this all the time. They're so, I love their products. If you guys have any information, DM me, okay? I get a lot of DMs, but like, I don't mind it. Oh, I'm gonna secure this in a little bit more. Alright, so there you have it. Something very nice and simple. I'm gonna stand up. Turn around, you can see.